This is a tutorial for changing your average fuel consumption from liters to 100 kilometers into kilometers per liter. So first, we have to go to the settings. So in going to the settings, you have to scroll by pressing this one and this one. So let's go to the settings. So this is the setting menu. Then press this one. Long press it. So if you are in the menu, you can see the average unit or AVG unit. To scroll down, you have to press this one again. Then if you are now in the average unit, long press this one again. Now, so as you can see in the average unit menu, you can change your unit into kilometers per liter or miles per gallon. So if you like to change it into miles per gallon, so you scroll down. Then if you want to change it into kilometers per liter, then you choose the km per liter. Then long press this one again. So as you can see, the arrow is pointing now in the kilometers per liter. So go to the return, scroll up by pressing this one, then long press this one again, then go to the return again, then long press it. So let's check if it's changed already. So scroll, so here it is now changed into kilometers per liter. Okay, thank you guys, hope it will help you, and goodbye.